Founded in 2004 and situated in the Wusha High-Tech Industrial Zone, Shunde, Guangdong Province, Guangdong Hualei Metal Manufacturing Company Limited is recognized as one of the leading enterprises in production of precision sheet metals in China. With a smart manufacturing base covering over 20,000 square meters and a workforce of over 250 employees boasting rich experience in sheet metal production, we leverage lean manufacturing and MES system for process-wide digital management. Our multitude of cutting-edge automated equipment and production lines offer a one-stop solution for NC sheet metal production, extending from fully automated uncoiling and leveling to digital surface coating. Moreover, we can promptly and efficiently address the needs of domestic and international clients. Our primary equipment includes 20 high-power laser cutting machines with 2 tables, imported precision CNC turret punch presses, 40 high-precision CNC bending machines, 10 robot-assisted automatic welding and automatic mesh guard enclosed butt welding production lines. Additionally, we are equipped with 500 to 800 tons hydraulic drawing machines capable of processing guide rings with a maximum diameter of 1,000 millimeters. Our equipment inventory features automatic bending centers, automatic welding robot, automatic rounding and radius forming equipment. The 3 automatic digital spray painting lines are designed to address a salt spray test lasting for up to 1,000 hours. We have passed the ISO 9001 quality system certification and incorporate various imported high-precision professional automatic inspection equipment throughout the production process. With a sophisticated quality inspection process, we vigorously control every step to guarantee the manufacture of quality products. Moreover, our seasoned technical and craftsmanship team works with design software, AutoCAD, and SolidWorks, consistently striving for technological and process innovation. To date, we have secured 5 technical invention patents and over 50 utility model patents certificates. We are also recognized with various national honors and accreditations, such as Specialized, Refined, Unique, and Innovative Enterprise in Guangdong Province, and National High-Tech Enterprise. Drawing on our robust manufacturing capabilities and extensive experience in sheet metal manufacturing, we have established long-term and stable sheet metal supply partnerships with renowned enterprises in heat pumps, refrigeration, drying, energy storage, and home furnishing, having earned unanimous praise from our clients. To be a specialized partner for clients, we are committed to offering our employees tidy, comfortable environments for production, office work, and living, fostering a harmonious corporate atmosphere where they can continuously unleash their creativity and convey happiness. Throughout the past 20 years of development, the entire Hualei family has consistently adhered to the philosophy of pursuing excellence and surpassing expectations, making every effort to be a benchmark enterprise in CNC sheet metal industry that our employees are proud of and our clients trust. In the future, we will move forward together with all partners to create an evergreen enterprise of well-being. Guangdong Hualei Metal Manufacturing Company Limited.